My name is Ashish, and in this video we will see schedule update deployments in Azure Update Management. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. So this is where we left. Okay, so let me tell you where did I get to this screen. So in all the resources, look for virtual machines. I only have one virtual machine. If you have many, select that specific virtual machine and go to updates. Under operations, you see guest plus host updates. Click on it. It will give you this screen and click on go to update management. Click on schedule update deployment. In here, give a name to the deployment. I'll give it critical and security updates. So it says update classifications 8 selected. You can unselect all and you can click on critical and security updates. It says include, exclude updates. Click to configure. Is there any KB article that you want to specifically include? Provide a list of KBs that should be specifically added during the update or the ones that you want to exclude. If there are not any, then it's okay. Prescripts plus postscripts, if you see here, says prescripts and postscripts are tasks that can be automatically executed before or after an update deployment run. So if there are any tasks that you want to run, you can configure it here. And now it gives you an option to set the maintenance window. It says the duration must be minimum of 30 minutes and less than 6 hours. The last 20 minutes of the maintenance window is dedicated for machine restart, and any remaining updates will not be started once this interval is reached. Okay, so you can go with this or you can go with default, and it says restart options, reboot if required. You want to never reboot a virtual machine, you want to do it yourself, select this option. If you want to always reboot, do it. Only reboot will not install update. So you want to let the server reboot it, but you will install it later and do it this process again. So I'm going to go with reboot if required. Okay, I'm going to hit create. Okay, it's sorry, I missed schedule settings. So let's say you want to do it now. Okay, time zone, select Indian Standard Time. Go with DDDFGH India. Recurring, you want to do it recurring, then every 1 hour, every 1 week. If it's once, then you can go with once. Validation of start time failed. Okay, then you can select another date, right? So that, because it will not pick up the nearest time, and you can click on create. So it's creating the schedule deployment. Cannot validate some machines for update management. Okay, let's see. What we get here. Okay, then re-register, register. Okay, so sometimes you may get this error, but then you have to re-register the VM from the update management, and this will work. That is how you configure, schedule the updates using the update management feature. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.